In my opinion, this is by far the most up close and detailed review and overview of the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo. They retail for $180 for both men and women's sizing. The Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo is the Pegasus you know and love, with major upgrades for speed. The Featherlight upper looks as fast as it feels, while the revolutionary Nike Zoom X foam that was designed for elite runners during the Breaking 2 attempt brings record-breaking speed and responsiveness to your daily training runs. Not only is this implementing Zoom X, on the top layer you can see the transition from a top layer to a bottom layer that is actually Nike's React foam. The secure fit fly-wire cables provide a system of incredibly strong cables that work together with the laces to wrap your midfoot and arch for a snug adjustable support. The translucent upper material is designed to look like it's moving while standing still, and it's incredibly lightweight. The heel collar tapers away from your Achilles for the long-distance comfort. Nike worked with elite marathoners in Kenya to develop the Nike Zoom X foam, which develops Nike's greatest energy return yet. It sits directly under your foot for a heightened response as you hit your stride. The beveled heel and rubber outsole strip help you land in a good position and transition smoothly. Raised rubber sections on the bottom of the sole provide traction. The weight of the shoe, which would be a men's size 10, are 8.4 ounces. The offset from heel to toe is 10 millimeters. I will be doing mileage updates on this shoe to show the wear and tear of this shoe over time, to give a full review and tell you if the shoe is really worth buying. Thank you for watching this in-detailed video of the new Nike Pegasus Turbo. If you'd like to see any more videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe to my channel.